Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of PixArk. Today we are gonna do some things. I got very sad news, but some good. So I'll tell you the good news when I get on. Yeah. Oh, oops. When I get to my house. Oh, it broke my broke my thing. Yep. 1 second. I'm just gonna tell you that I painted my RG yellow. 'Cause it looks like he's golden. Yeah, gold. Okay, so last night, I had a sauropod over here, like trampling all over my base. So I hit it with an arrow, with one of these arrows. That's why I only have 27. And then I hit it only once with the arrow. Then I was like, yeah, f this house. Then started breaking everything, repaired it, and this is all last night. And when I was hitting, it killed my RG. I mean, my last RG, my Pterodon, my Morolotops, and my flag. So I lost 4 things. And this is about to break. I mean, only has 400 health. Get the F out of here. You're not invited. So last night I tamed the RG. It was only like level 40 something, just like last one. I believe last one was a little bit lower. Well, I tamed the level 40. Killed the sauropod. I was strong enough to kill the sauropod, but I almost died. So put a lot of meat in it. Killed a lot of things. Put meat in it. Then killed the sauropod, and I got 30 something levels. Bumped into stamina and strength. Well, I mean, mostly stamina. I need strength. I mean, I need stam. But I'll bump up into strength now. So yeah, I was upset. I literally cried last night because everything was broken. Repaired it. I do 97 damage. Wow, that sucks. Now this thing is level 80. My goal is to get it to level 100. This is gonna be my favorite mount. No, and I can fly forever, literally forever. Come here. Come here, buddy. You're dead to me. You come here. I really want to kill this pterodon. But I literally have more stam than you. So there's no point of running. Oh! So So today I might tame a megalodon, so I might need darts. I don't know if I'm high enough level for darts. I think I need to be level. I'm level 59, so I think I'm able to. That's true. Yeah, I'm able to make a long neck. Polymer, how much? Okay. So I'm gonna need 20 ingots. How much ingots do I have? That's a question. 12. So I'm gonna have to go back to the swamp. And I need what now? Industrial and firestone powder. So I need flint and iron. Flint and iron. Where did he get? And what? Do I need chitin? Yeah, so I need to kill some packies. Let's see, you have some chitin. No, so I didn't kill any packies yet. I think there's even packies here. Yep, packy. So I'm gonna go pick you up. 2 chitin, 4 chitin, and 20. I believe that's what it said. 20. So I'm gonna need 40. So I'm gonna have to kill a lot of these things. 4 chitin. 17 meat. So first I should actually go to the swamp. Oh, these give you. Oh, okay. So that should hit this. My raptor. My raptor. It's my raptor. It's my raptor. I'm guessing this is a turtle. Turtle gives you chitin, I believe. Do they? I don't think they do no more. I'm gonna kill turtle right now. Yes, it does. It gives you way more chitin. So I should kill turtles instead. So turtle, I believe. Something else gives you chitin a lot more. I gotta make myself some iron armor at least. Oh, but how do I make the bullets? That's the real question. I'm gonna need bullets. Darts, actually. Darts. Gee. What? Oh, I'm gonna make scuba gear? I didn't know that. Steel? Which I really don't care about. Void manta. Steel ingot. Okay. I need sleepy and gunpowder and glass. So I can make that. I can make that. But God, let things rot. So I need to find more turtles. I need to find more tortoises. Don't see any more tortoises. I want to kill one of you guys. They have, I believe, way more health than the things. Okay, you're dead. Yep. E3, wow. Okay. Bro, you're not even hurt. I should actually pop in some health for you. Heal by yourself now. Turtle. How much drain do I have? Do you have? 18. Another turtle right there too. You're stupid. I want chitin. I want chitin. Thank you. I want chitin. I don't want to attack you. You came to me attacking me. Okay, thank you. Turtle right there. I'm safe from these things. Turtles give you a lot. 25. I really don't care about turtles right now. I mean, I do for the chitin. I'm gonna need all the chitin. Okay. Okay. Now enough. So I'm gonna make two long necks. I'm gonna have to, but I'm not. I'm gonna make darts first. I'm gonna need sulfur. I just, I just, I need sulfur. I just thought about that. Dang. There's only one silver pod. What level are you? 4. I think I'm able to do it. Yeah, I think I'm able to do it. It's not the ingots. I'm gonna need to make. I didn't. Oh. 40. Now, what else do I need? Wood. But mostly, I need this. That's why I grabbed a lot. Yep. I believe that's all I actually need. Unless I need 20. Do I need 20? Yes, I do. Okay. 20. Okay. Okay. That's good. I think I won't have enough. What do we need? 12. 20 of these. These, I'm gonna need narcoberries. How do I have? Oh, okay. 12 narcoberries. 7. Okay. 30 seeds. That's a lot of seeds. I don't know what to do with long grass. I never had long grass before. Oh, so that means I won't have enough for 12. So I'm gonna need these to rot. Fuel, that means wood. What it means. Wood. Okay. 63. I need 65. Okay. Gasoline. I'm gonna need one of goes, because I'm gonna need gasoline. How do I get gasoline? What holds gasoline? Guys, put that down. No, put it down in the comments down below. How do I? One petroleum barrel. Okay, petroleum barrel. I'm gonna need leather and hide. 2 leather, 1 copper ingot, and I'm gonna need petroleum pump and the petroleum power. Okay, tower. Okay, so I'm gonna have to find a cave system and find petroleum. Thank you. Structure, storage, no. Crafting, fabricator. Okay. Where can I put a fabricator? I'm gonna have to place it outside. Okay. I'm gonna need. How big is it? 3. Okay, I'm gonna need 3. So I'm gonna have to go wood and thatch. I believe I have some wood in here. No, I don't. Any wood in here? Yes. No, I mean thatch and yes, wood. I only need 3 of these. Okay. Get out the way! Gasoline. And ammo. Oh, what? Oh, I don't have enough for that. I mean, I have no weapon. I learned a weapon. I mean, I haven't learned a weapon. Oh, workbench. Oh. Oh! What would I make this then? What was the point of this? What was the point of this? Oh. I need scuba. Megalodon skin, so I'm gonna have to kill. Oh. 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 Okay. I understand now. I understand now. Okay. So I actually have enough to make weapon, firearm. I have enough for that. I need wood for this. Yes. 13. Here. 7 minutes. 19 seconds. 18 minutes. 2 days. 3 minutes. Okay. Okay, that was still done. Okay, sweet. So, these bullets. Nope. Weapon. Ammo. Gunpowder and glass. Gunpowder and glass. Gunpowder, sulfur, and charcoal. Sulfur and charcoal. Let you burn. I have 26 charcoal. Bruh. Every single day. I'm gonna have to grab some sulfur. 84. You have a level? I know you have a level. I'm gonna have to put everything away. I guess I can make some more. I need grapples. I don't have anything yet. So I'm putting that in my canteen. Never even had sleepy potion. Never have sleepy potions before. Oh, these never spoil. Oh. Well, I made a long neck. Bye guys, and see you guys next episode. And that's a lot, so I'm gonna do a dino right after this episode. Bye, and see you guys later.